Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. How are you all? How was your weekend? I just had a session with the 52 section B. Just as awesome as me. Oh, thank you. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. And welcome back, section B. Madam, how about we WhatsApp you the recordings of our presentation? Mehul, what a wonderful idea. But won't I go mad? After receiving so many recordings, my memory will be full. I have a small phone, not with a good GB stuff. It's a good idea. No, Mehul, it's a good idea. Okay, do we have any WhatsApp group where we have the entire class 52? Like I am mentor of 52A. So what about 52B? Yes, for 52B. Okay, add me a group. Make a group of 52B where there is no other teacher except me. Is that possible? Who was the Satyam? Satyam Tripathi, kahan ho tum? Satyam Tripathi. Satyam, are you? CR is admin. Okay, we will catch the CR. Tell him, create a group of 52B and add me. I have already a group with 52A. That's a wonderful class of mine. Ma'am, how to register on Sailor for GT? Oh, it is not your mentoring class. You can ask such questions on Thursday only. But it's okay, Harshit. I will answer you. Ma'am, how to register on Sailor for general proficiency course? Go to the site sailor.org. When you register there, you will get a list of courses. Select a course and you will enroll yourself for the course. They will ask you the institute. Fill Chandigarh University. There will be option because Chandigarh University is already, is linked up with them. So just try Harshit once. Go to sailor.org. मुदित पांडे मैडम मेरी तरफ से लास्ट वीक इट इज WEEK. दिस वीक इज कमजोर वीक. लास्ट वीक में नेट नहीं चला तो क्या प्रैक्टिकल क्लास में जो एक्टिविटी हुई थी मेरे उसके मार्क्स डिडक्ट होंगे क्या? कुछ नहीं डिडक्ट होना है, कुछ नहीं डिडक्ट होना. चिल मुदित, nothing will be deducted. You can always present yourself again and you can send your, just like Mehul has suggested, you can send your recordings or your videos of it to me on WhatsApp. That is why we are now going to make a group, another group also. There is no option for registration on official site. This is not possible, Harshit. You are not checking it in. I will let you know once I go home. I'll check by myself and then will let you know. Just remind me around 7 o'clock in the group only. Okay, Harshit? I will check the site and will let you know. Yeah. Ritik, why Ritik is rolling? Ma'am, how about making one group for both sections? That is awesome. Aryan, do it. Let it be one group, if not two, because I am mentor of 52A. I have to make a separate group for 52A. That is already there. But let's add the entire class in a single group. That is also a good idea, Aryan. So talk to your CR and convey my message to him that ma'am has instructed to do so and so. Who will do that? Rishant, that Satyam Tripathi of the other group. He is the CR. Just like we have Moksha, there is Satyam in the second group. Ma'am, I share screen recording of how to register on Sailor. Still, okay, Ritik, do it one more time. That will help Harshit. No, ma'am, please make separate group. Okay, whatever. Talk to your CR. Okay, Satyam is saying okay, ma'am. Make a different group, Satyam, of your group. Okay. मैम रिलेटिव मार्किंग में टोटल CSC के टोटल 2000 स्टूडेंट का रिलेटिव मार्क क्या सेक्शन क्या बोले जा रहा है आलोक? रिलेटिव मार्किंग में टोटल सीएससी के टोटल 2000 स्टूडेंट का रिलेटिव मार्किंग होगा या सिर्फ सेक्शन? I guess your CGPA and SGPA, this is what I know about. This is your performance based, nothing to do with the relative marking. How many students are there? There are more than, I guess, more than 1700. Yeah, the total students. 1700 plus, I guess. I'm not sure. Ma'am, hostel कब होंगे allot? I have already mailed them. I will soon get the response, and once they open the notification and the site again, the hostel application form, I will let you know, Harsh. But yes, there is possibility you will be able soon to apply for the hostel. Okay. 3000 तो I'm not sure about. I don't know. I see. Maybe that's the criteria that is for SGPA or CGPA. Ma'am, CR needs salary to work. That he should have considered before filling the form. Kumar Sanu 1680. Yeah, 1700 plus. But I know. क्लासरूम यही है मैम जिसमें आपको क्लासरूम यही है जिसमें आपको मतलब इज दैट अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट आयुष? ओके 3000 की प्लेसमेंट हो जाती है मैम, 1500 की तो हो ही जाएगी हर्ष। अभिनव जीत, ओके यू आर मेकिंग इट अ मेंटोरिंग क्लास, लेट मी मेक यू स्टडी। मैम फ्यूचर सिक्योर है, हॉस्टल अभी तक अलॉट नहीं हुआ, रिलेटिव मार्किंग कैसे होगा समझा दो एक बार, मेरे को समझना पड़ेगा। लोग पहले वंस आई विल एक्सप्लोर, ओके आई विल राइट इट डाउन इन माय लिस्ट। वन इज दिस हॉस्टल क्वेरी and one is this relative marking I need to ask. Okay, I will. Give me some time on Thursday mentoring class. I will resolve these issues. Okay. So let's start with our content, I guess. Okay, Yogesh is saying the same thing. Let's focus on our studies now. Offline classes soon they will be started. Please do come here. Let's study face to face. I'm going to share a PPT on a topic, quick revision. What is communication? What is the process of communication? And types of communication. On the basis of types, we have on relation-based types, we have purpose-based, style-based types, we have language skill-based type, and we have networking-based types. Are we done with communication skills? Do you know what do we mean by grapevine? Okay, tell me, answers in the chat box. What is grapevine communication? You should have revised before attending this theory class, what we have already done. What is grapevine? This is a question. Grapevine. No idea. Okay, I am going to show you a communication skills PPT for one time, and then I will go to the next topic, barriers to communication. Grapevine is informal type of communication that can happen within an organization. Otherwise, within an organization, we usually consider formal communication, like between, be it upward, be it downward, be it horizontal, but we are in a formal setup in an organization. But sometimes there are rumors, there is gossiping, one colleague to the other colleague. So there are patterns where you whisper things in an organization. That becomes informal communication, informal type of communication. This is one of the important communications from the perspective of organization. So, quick review of the PPT, a quick look back at the PPT of communication skills. I hope I have done this far. Okay, types of communication. So, Everyone kindly confirm. Are these all types clear to you? Say yes or no. Turant, फटाफट से. Any questions so far related to types? All right. Thank you. Thank you for confirming. You can go to the PPT, go to the content section and read this PPT as many times as you want. So we are done with internal communication, intrapersonal communication, organizational communication, mass communication, verbal communication that carries words. This is important from the perspective of examination. How many types of verbal communication are there? Oral communication, written communication. Wherever you are providing the information face to face, through words, via using words, not your body, only words, that is called verbal communication. For example, speaking, oral speaking without using body language, and written communication without using body language. Then we have non-verbal communication. Satyam, I will text you my phone number, just wait. Then we have this non-verbal type of communication. Now, what is non-verbal kind of? How many types are there? Look at the screen. How many types? This is also important from the perspective of examination. Kinesics, where you touch, handshake, hug. So this is kinesics, body movements, where you touch. Proxemics, that is depending on the intimacy you have, the distance you have. For example, in a classroom, teacher is standing in front of the class. Maybe there are backbenchers, maybe there are first benchers and the middle benchers, right? So what will happen? Maybe my voice is not audible to the last benchers. So non-verbal communication is based on the distance. Maybe this, maybe a person sitting next to you, you can whisper also. कानाफूसी, उसके कान में कुछ बोल सकते हो when your classmate is sitting just next to you. So the proximity, the kind of intimacy you have, that also decides the type of communication. Then we have posture, then we have eye contact. Eye contact is also called oculesics. The technical term for eye contact is oculesics. I have written down in the chat box. Satyam, look into my chat box. Look at your chat box. I have shared my number also. So oculesics means eye contact. Then we have paralanguage. Whatever modification we do with our voice, be it pitch, be it tone, be it pauses, all this comes under. All of these come under paralanguage. Then we have facial expression. Then we have physiology. Sometimes biologically we have some trouble. Someone with a limb or some other organ is not working, so that comes under physiology. Environment issues also come under physiology. Physical appearances, physical features. So non-verbal communication, there are these types: kinesics, proxemics, oculesics, paralanguage, and gestures, facial expressions, physiology. So non-verbal kind of communication. Then we have formal, we are done with it. Informal, we are done with it. And have you seen the content otherwise on your DB? Did you look for it? I don't think so. Anyone here who has gone through this PPT earlier? Do that. I have, you can assess the material. I have shared it with students. So go there and watch. So there is one kind of informal communication which is very important, very, very, very important from the perspective of examination, that is grapevine. What is grapevine? Informal way of traveling information. There are patterns into it. For example, sometimes one person is telling the other person is telling the next person to next person. This is called single strand. This is how rumors and gossip travel. It is informal pattern. And then we have gossip. All the time we do in our leisure time, the gossiping. Whenever you are going to get a free lecture in between here in the campus, you will be doing gossiping. this teacher is so and so, that teacher is so and so. You will comment and you will be judgmental and spreading rumors about your teachers. That is gossiping. So what is the pattern here? One person is telling the everyone and the information is spreading. Probability. Now what is probability? Random sharing, randomly. One person telling to the other person, that person telling the other two person. So random sharing. Probability, probable. Then we have clusters. Some people telling the selected other, the close group and the most typical group. And it travels from, for example, one person is telling who his or her best friend, and the best friend has a close circle of two people. Then they are telling the close, typical people, right? That is how we pass the information in cluster form. So all these are grapevine patterns. What is grapevine? अंगूर की बेल, अंगूर की बेल देखिए ऐसे एकदम आपस में वो जुड़ी होती है ऐसे ट्विस्टेड. So twisted informal communication is called grapevine. अंगूर की बेल की तरह जब spread होती है गुंजलदार information. So that is called grapevine. Good. So this is important, very important from the perspective of. So let's start a bit of polling, just to engage you. There is multiple. What do you think, as per your experience so far? What kind of grapevine you have experienced in your life? Is it single-stranded, gossip, or probability, or cluster? Everyone, submit your responses. To me, it is gossip. If I tell you, as per my experience, I think I gossip a lot. So much of my informal communication within this organization takes place through my gossiping. It is always good to talk, right? I am very talkative. And it is effective. The easiest and the fastest way to communicate, to spread the information. For example, there is some event in the campus, then there will be gossip about it, and the details of the event will spread like anything because it is of our interest. Yeah, are you submitting your responses? What do you think, as per your experience, what is the most uh, dominant pattern of grapevine? Oh, see, I have shown the previous slide. Is that single strand? Is it gossip? Is it cluster or what? Submit your responses in the polling. At the polling station, submit your response. Yeah, most of you think that why I am getting equal votes for option second and option equal response I am getting. Okay, I am stopping the poll. It is gossip or cluster. Right, very right. Moving forward, we are done with network types. One way, when there is sender, message and receiver, there is no feedback. Then there is two way, when you are getting the feedback. Then upward, where your subordinates will communicate to the authorities. And then we have downwards, where superiors and authorities will communicate to you, to the subordinates. For example, upward is student, teacher, HOD, dean, vice chancellor, chancellor. Now downward is from chancellor to vice chancellor to dean to HOD to, so that way. And last is our lateral or horizontal. This is important. When you are at the same position, like there is no subordinate, there is no boss, but with you're talking with your own classmates, for example, in an organization. So it becomes horizontal communication. When you are working at the same level and you are doing the communication, and that is, and the purpose sometimes is to review your own activities or to coordinate with your classmates, with your CR. That is called horizontal communication. The type of text we do in the WhatsApp group, that is also horizontal communication, but remove me. If you remove me, only then you are communicating in a horizontal pattern. Yes, designations are same, positions are same. Very right. So I have covered every important thing in this topic. What is communication? How it is different from business communication, and what is the difference between business communication and general communication? Types of communication, process of communication, and then what is grapevine, and types of verbal, types of non-verbal, and last, we have David Perlow's process of communication diagram. But it has its loopholes. Source is there, encoding of the message is there, channel is there, decoding is there, but there is no feedback. So this model of David Perlow for the process of communication is faulty. It has some drawbacks. So there is criticism to SMCR model. Okay, SMCR model of David Perlow. So there is criticism to it. And then we have some other model. This is so far the best model. We have Shannon Weaver, Claude Shannon, Warren Weaver model. It has taken notice of the barriers also. It has taken notice of the feedback also. So sender is there, encoding of the message, channel, decoding of the message, receiver, feedback. Taking notice of the barriers. So Shannon Weaver model is important. You can get question in your examination on the basis of this model. Even you can get question on the basis of David Perlow model, David Perlow SMCR model. And we can also ask you the loopholes, the drawbacks of these two models. These models are of process of communication, and criticism is there for both the models. So case study is for your self-study, and try it at home. Are there any questions? I am done with this communication PPT. What is communication? Process of communication. Madam, so can upward downward communication can be example of one-way communication? Yeah, it is. It is one way, because is it going only upward, then one way. Is it coming only downward? Again, it is one way. But if upward and downward are together, it becomes two-way. Absolutely right, Mehu. Talking with same designated person. Oh, that's fun. That's late. Any questions so far? Should I go to the other PPT, the next PPT that is on barriers to communication? I repeat important questions. Should I repeat the important questions? नहीं बेटा, MCQ में subjective भी होता है. Okay, write down the questions based on this PPT. What is communication? Process of communication. Two models of process of communication. There are two models of the process of communication. Then we have types of communication. Then subtypes of communication. For example, verbal has two types. Non-verbal body also has 5 types. So subtypes of communication. What is grapevine? Informal communication, part of informal communication. That's it. So our next topic is barrier to communication. Barriers. Now, do you have any idea? Okay, as per your experiences, tell me. See, Harsh, when you see at the PPT, the headings you have on the PPT, those are your questions. I'm just repeating it. What is grapevine? I can't repeat all the questions. मैं तुम्हारे लिए मैंने पीपीटी तो क्या, मैंने तुम्हारे लिए पोस्ट लैब क्विज और असाइनमेंट जो इसकी है यूनिट 1 की, और सरप्राइज टेस्ट, एवरीथिंग इज विजिबल, एंड द लास्ट डेट इज 6th of November. So take your time, let me finish this entire unit 1, then you do your assignment and your surprise test. Okay, and the last date is 6th November. By that far I will complete your unit 1. and all the content is available. Whatever I am teaching you, be it communication skills, barrier to communication, all the PPTs are available in the content section of your PP. Clear? Great. मैम पीपीटी नोटपैड में ओपन, नोटपैड में क्यों ओपन होगी? पीपीटी पीपीटी में ही ओपन होगी ना, नोटपैड में क्यों ओपन होगी यार? So there are 92 students here. I am going to show you a PPT now. That is our next topic, barriers to communication. No, barriers. Barrier means obstacles, hindrance. For example, I am delivering this lecture and there is this physiological, environmental issue. The fan is working and there is air, there is noise, right? This fan is noise. So one barrier. So figure out, okay, give me the examples of barriers as per your knowledge. How many barriers are there? Network connectivity, of course. Network connectivity comes under technical barriers. I don't have good connection. There is electricity gone. Then slow internet connection. No. All these are technical barriers. Any other example? One is physiological barrier, noise. One is technical barrier, connectivity, electricity, lagging. How do we, fluency? If I do not have command over the language, I am supposed to teach you English, and if I am not fluent in English, yeah, then it will be a barrier. That will be content barrier. Anything else? Language, shyness, yeah, confidence. Confidence can't be. Lack of confidence is very good. Cultural barrier, yes, Moksha, very right. Physical barriers, yeah, there are cultural barriers, there are physical barriers, there are technical barriers, and then there are psychological barriers. For example, the person is anxious. For example, see, there is a very funny, interesting example. I am hungry. मुझे भूख लगी है. So what will I do? I will try to, wind up this session quickly because I'm hungry, I'm restless. Will that affect my teaching? Of course it will. Because on my head it is hunger. In my head it is hunger. So, psychological. Suppose I had a fight with my boss. I am upset. And I need to instruct my subordinate or my teammates. Will I be able to communicate properly? No, I will be upset. I will be angry. I will be sad. So these are called psychological barriers. Mental barriers, yes, exactly. Psychological barriers, mental barriers, lack of enthusiasm, lack of confidence, stress, all these are psychological barriers. So let's start with the PPT. Yeah, lack of focus. If exams are coming and course is not complete, it's a terrible barrier. Well done. So let's discuss these barriers. Can you see the PPT? Are you able to look at my screen? Are you able to look at the PPT? Yeah, great. Let's begin. We have only, I guess, 12:10. We have 20 minutes and we will finish this PPT. This session will end at 12. Oh, we have only 10 minutes. Let's do it fast. Okay. What are barriers? So there are two categories overall, external and internal. External, the environmental, which you have no control over. Internal, which you have control over. Usually psychological, internal, right? So categories of barriers. Sometimes they are present at the end of the sender or receiver. Sometimes they are interpersonal transaction related, like emotional. Sometimes they are organizational. For example, you are not supposed to talk to your HOD straight. You need to go via your mentor. So that's organizational. You can't approach VC for your complaints. You need to go by HOD, then Dean, then VC, right? So organizational network. You can't reach straightforwardly to a person. So that is also a What is this, Satyam? You are making a group, okay? Okay. Thank you. Please, okay, send me the link, invite link on my WhatsApp. Arising from sender and receiver. Kindly go through this PPT. We will discuss in next theory lecture. Go through this PPT of barriers. Okay? We will discuss it. Arising from sender and receiver. Sometimes you have no trust on the second person you are talking to. That will hinder your communication. Sometimes your own behavior, you are introvert. Sometimes the receiver is introvert, sometimes the sender is introvert. Both these things will affect the communication. Lack of attention, lack of focus. My perspective is different on as relation in relation to one thing, and your perspective is different in relation to the same thing. So this difference in our perceptions can also cause hindrance in our communication. How to become an extrovert? Just be an extrovert. Start talking, start making friends, overcome your fear. Like conversation between our new classmates. Yes. Categories of personal related barriers. Personality related barriers, psychological, perceptual. They can work at both the ends, at the end of the receiver also, at the end of the sender also. Just go through this PPT, okay? Tips to overcome the barrier. Feel empathetic, be emotional, take notice of the emotions of the others. That will make you empathetic. Like generate emotions for the human emotions for the other human, okay? Avoid stereotyping means do not be judgmental. Don't judge each other so easily. Everyone has a different personality. Respect other people's perspective, respect everyone's personality. There should be mutual understanding. And if you want to criticize, just keep the positive criticism. Don't snatch the ground. Like, don't be negative about a person. Don't be so judgmental. If you have a problem or if you have a suggestion for some other person, just deliver it politely. Convey it politely. So let's do this polling and then you can leave the session. True and false. I'm setting a poll. Yes or no. True or false. Let me start it. Let me start it. Yeah. Submit your response. Do you think psychology and perception change the personality? Do you think so? Psychology and perception. Of course it changes the personality. That's the right answer. Whatever you think, yeah, see, once Lord Buddha has said you are made up of your thoughts. So half of the time you are living in your own brain. Right? You think about things. So your personality is definitely based on your own thinking, your perception, how you receive things, how you perceive them. So right answer is yes, I'm stopping the poll. Thank you. Alright, you can leave the session I guess, or if you have any other question you can ask me. We will begin from here only. Now on the basis of interpersonal transactions, how many results, how many barriers are there? These are mentioned on the slide. Just go through this slide so that in the next theory session, I will just discuss this. Ma'am, absolutely. No. Stay here for 5 minutes. I mean, let's not do the content part, like not do the slide part. Let's take a break here from the content. In that sense, yeah, let's cross it. Right, Krishan. So now you can send your messages in the chat box if you want to know anything or you have some opinion about the content, anything. One life, live it up. Your gossip makes more interesting this class, really. Am I gossiping with you? I am teaching you. Don't say that. Have you given any homework? Yes, very important point, Mittal. Thank you. Listen carefully. Last date is 6th November. I have set the assignments for this theory section also, for the practical section also, for the experiments also. So go through the content, go to the content section, explore all the PPTs of Unit 1, look at the assignment, submit it by 6th of November. Look at the surprise test also. You need to do it online there on the BB. Whenever you get time, just explore your BB and the content section. मैडम मुझे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल वाली PPT शो नहीं करी है. I will check the access. I have given the access to everyone. I know that. Ma'am, I got full energetic after doing your class. Really, and that's a compliment. Thank you. Shivanshi Kapoor, ma'am, can we just understand the content and write it in our own language? Of course, Shivanshi, this is required. I will rather appreciate it if you use your own wording. Just make sure there should not be many grammatical mistakes. A few will be okay because you are in the learning process. But yes, Shivanshi, PPT is just for the knowledge. You can explore on the Google, get good books of business communication book, Oxford. That will help you, really help you to get good marks. And there is so much detail if you want to add up to your answers. Whatever I have delivered in the PPT or the YouTube links I have given in the content, those are just to make you understand on the surface level. Rest should be done by you. Good point, Shivanshi. You are in some classroom now. What? Yeah, right now, yes. I am sitting in a classroom. That's your classroom only. Whenever you will be available on campus, we will be taking classes here only. You can look at your classroom. Yeah. I'm also sitting on a bench. That's my place. The desk. The lecture stand, if you can see. The board. Yeah. मैम इंग्लिश से ब्रेकअप हो रखा है, हम पैचअप करेंगे ना. यू डू JEE preparations, don't worry. It's huge, yeah. Classrooms are huge. Come on, your own strength is right now like 90 plus students are there in this session. 94 were there, in fact. So see. All right. Blackboard छोटा है मैम. हाँ. ड्यू डेट में शो करेगा असाइनमेंट लास्ट डेट. Yes, Ritik. Your assignment is due on 6th of November. I have set the date, I guess. You need to cross-check it. Moksha, especially you, just go through the BB content, Moksha, and let me know if everything is visible in the right manner. Okay? Moksha? Yes. Okay. Harshit, look at the assignment first, then ask me. Don't ask question in the air. Class में AC नहीं है. It is there. Okay. No, it is not. Thank you for reminding me. I am sitting without AC. नहीं है. 12 बज गए हैं, so you can leave the session. What's the class capacity? See, in your section, there are 100 students, and in each section, there are 60 plus students, as far as I know. सेलर अकेडमी में एक ही कोर्स ज्वाइन करना है, एक ही क्रेडिट मिलेगा, एक ही करने का. All right, take care everyone. Have a good day ahead. Khuda Hafiz. Sayonara. Yeah, please. Leave the session, kids. Thank you.